2024 Hyundai Venue. Starting at $21 est. Highs. Incredible value proposition, spacious cabin for its size, loaded with standard driver assistance features. Lows. Requires premeditated highway passing maneuvers, lacks fuel efficiency of competitors, front drive only. Verdict. The Venue is best used for city living thanks to its easy maneuverability, roomy interior, and excellent value. Overview. As the average sale price for new vehicles climbs toward $50,000, it becomes increasingly difficult to imagine that vehicles exist starting at nearly 60% less. The 2024 Hyundai Venue SUV, with an astoundingly low base price which includes standard driver assistance tech such as lane keep assist and forward collision avoidance assist, is just that. Its budget-conscious price means that buyers will have to do without important features like all-wheel drive, while more expensive competitors from Mazda and Volkswagen can power all four wheels. The Hyundai's interior is open and airy, though, with a surprising amount of space given its tiny outward dimensions. And while it struggles to perform passing maneuvers in highway driving, the 121 HP four-cylinder is perfectly suited for slower-moving urban environments. What's new for 2024? Not much about the Venue has changed for the 2024 model year. Previously unavailable second-row USB ports are now standard on Cell and Limited models. Keyless entry with push-button start, which was previously exclusive to the Limited trim, has trickled down to the Cell, and the base SE now receives the 6-speaker audio system. Pricing and which one to buy. SE. $21,000, est. Cell. $23,000, est. Limited. $25,000, est. We think the top-of-the-line Limited trim is the one to get. Not only does it have all the content that comes on the other two models, it also can be had with a unique denim exterior and interior treatment which includes a dark blue exterior hue with a contrasting white painted roof. The cabin also gets rendered in dark blue upholstery with a denim-like fabric insert on the seats. The Limited trim level also comes standard with 17-inch wheels, heated front seats, and in-dash navigation. Engine, transmission, and performance. Every Venue is powered by a 121 HP four-cylinder engine, which delivers sufficient motivation around town but has a complete lack of passing power on the highway. A continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, is the only gearbox. Shoppers who want all-wheel drive will be disappointed because all models are front drive only. We drove a Venue around Miami and learned that the subcompact SUV is agile in traffic thanks to its small proportions and reactive steering. Unfortunately, that steering was touchy on the highway, and our Cell model often required our attention to stay steady in our lane at highway speeds. That makes us think the tiny Hyundai is better suited for short commutes rather than highway road trips. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Venue is estimated to earn 29 mpg in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. Those numbers are slightly worse than those of the Nissan Kicks, which has estimates of 31 mpg city and 36 mpg highway. The Venue that we tested on our 75 miles per hour highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, saw 31 mpg 2 mpg short of its EPA highway rating. For more information about the Venue's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Despite its small dimensions, the Venue has a roomy cabin for its size. Both the front and rear seats have ample passenger space, and the cushions in both rows are comfortable. The design isn't particularly flashy, but the interior is well assembled and bolstered by sturdy switchgear, and an attractive gauge cluster and infotainment system. A leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob as well as passive entry with push-button start are standard on the Cell trim, while heated front seats are only available on the Limited. Too bad there's no dual-zone climate control, heated steering wheel, head-up display, or power-operated adjustments for the front seats. Base models now come standard with a center console armrest. Wireless charging, which the Venue had been missing, is available for the limited trim. Curiously, the limited trim cannot be ordered with the optional sunroof. Still, the venue cabin is a pleasant place to spend time, and with the 60/40 split folding rear seats in use, it has 19 cubic feet of cargo room. That volume increases to 32 cubes when the back seat is folded flat. Infotainment and connectivity. Every venue comes with a user-friendly 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. The infotainment system has attractive menus that responded quickly to our inputs, and the unit also has useful volume and tuning knobs below the screen. Those looking for built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates can have it on the Cell and Limited. A 6-speaker audio system is now standard on all trim levels. Safety and driver assistance features. Hyundai outfits every model with standard driver assistance technology. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert become standard starting on the mid-level Cell. For more information about the Venu's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Standard driver attention monitor. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Hyundai and its corporate counterpart, Kia, provide the best powertrain warranty on the market as well as one of the best limited warranty plans, too. Hyundai also offers complimentary scheduled maintenance that bests mainstream rivals such as Toyota. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.